Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. From the perusal of the records, the court is of the view that from the beginning, delinquents had not been cooperating in the disciplinary proceedings and had been raising frivolous objections regarding the constitution of the disciplinary committee, possibly with a view to make out a ground subsequently to challenge the decision and take against them. A perusal of the letter dated 24/8/2009 and the subsequent letter dated 25/8/2009, annexed as Annexer 4 to the supplementary counter affidavit, reveals that all along the delinquents had been raising objections as to the entitlement of the governing body to manage the college in question vis-a-vis some other body, which according to them was the rightful authority to run and manage the college. The said letters leave no doubt that the delinquents had some vested interests with such other body which was also claiming management of the college. In this regard, it is relevant to refer to the earlier judgment dated 16/4/2010, wherein this issue was considered, and this court, after due enquiry from the learned counsel for university, categorically held that there was no such dispute with regard to the governing body in question. The court is of the view that delinquents, being employees, that two teachers of the college, there was no valid reason for them to take sides with either of the parties in any dispute of management of the college, assuming the same existed, though in view of the judgment dated 16/4/2010 there was none. Such conduct on the part of the delinquents, coupled with the serious allegations levelled against them, was quite uncalled for. In view of the above, we find that the finding of the Vice Chancellor with regard to the constitution of the disciplinary committee on the basis of inclusion of Shri Vijay Kumar is not sustainable. The other ground mentioned by the Vice Chancellor is the inclusion of Shri Daniel Singh as one of the members. This ground, on the face of it, is not acceptable, for the reason that on 1/9/2009 itself, Shri Daniel Singh was substituted by another member, Shri Balwant Singh. Moreover, the alleged mental health of Sri Daniel Singh had not been proved, and he had rescued himself from the proceedings not on the ground of mental health but on the ground of physical ailment relating to his back injury. In any case, after 1/9/2009, he was not a party to the proceedings, but the Vice Chancellor failed to notice this fact. The other reason given by the Vice Chancellor, that there was denial of opportunity, as 2 weeks' time requested by the delinquents for submitting the reply to the letter dated 11/10/2009 was not granted, is concerned. The same is also misconceived. It appears that the Vice Chancellor has not perused the documents on record carefully, and has not drawn conclusions based thereon. After issuance of the letter dated 5/10/2009 and the reply of the respondents' wide letter dated 12/10/2009, the governing body did not take any action against them till 28/10/2009. We are of the view that ample opportunity was given to the respondents to defend themselves and file a reply in response to the letter dated 12/10/2009, but no reply was filed by them. Therefore, observations of the Vice Chancellor are absolutely perverse. In view of the above discussion, we are of the view that so far as the first question framed by us is concerned, the Vice Chancellor has not exceeded his powers on the issue relating to the validity of the constitution of the disciplinary committee, and other related issues are concerned as they were germane to the satisfaction required to be recorded regarding the procedure prescribed having been followed or not. He, however, appears to have clearly exceeded his jurisdiction in the manner in which he exercised his power, as he virtually acted like a trial court or an appellate authority. The Vice Chancellor has failed to appreciate the distinction between Section 35 (2) and its proviso, forgetting that the legislature, by virtue of the provision to Section 35 (2), intended to confer a very limited role for the Vice Chancellor to perform a role much more limited than the one contemplated. Stop. Thank you.